Learn English tenses easily. From I go, present, to I went in the past. Can you master them all? Yes, you can master all 12 tenses.
English tenses are just time plus action. We divide our timeline into 3 sections: the past, the present, and the future. 3 times 4 forms gives us 12 tenses.
First, we have the simple form. Next, the continuous form. Third is the perfect form. Finally, perfect continuous. Master these 4 forms. Let's learn the present simple. For example, I play cricket. It's for habits, routines, or facts. Use subject plus V1 plus object. But remember, he plays and she goes.
Continuous. Subject plus am is are, being.
Today, let's learn the present perfect. Look at this. I have finished my work. This means the action is complete. The rule is has or 3 form. I have finished and she has gone.
Let's learn the present perfect continuous. It shows an action continuing from the past to now. Like, I have been studying for 2 hours. We use has or have been, plus the ing verb. Today we learn the past simple. I played cricket yesterday. Yesterday means it is in the past. The formula is subject plus V2, so we highlight the word played.
Learn the past continuous. Imagine it was 8 p.m. I was playing cricket. This shows an action in progress. Use was or were plus being. Let's learn the past perfect tense. It shows an action completed before another action in the past. First, I had eaten, then she arrived, so I had eaten before she arrived.
Let's look at the past perfect continuous. For example, I had been studying for 2 hours. This shows the duration of the action. And here is the formula you need to use. Welcome to class! Let's look at the future continuous. Imagine 8 p.m. tonight. You will be studying. So we use will be plus being.
Welcome back to our English grammar lesson. Let's understand the future perfect tense. It shows an action finished by a specific time. I will have finished my work by 6 p.m. Will have plus V3.
Let's draw a timeline extending toward the future. Here is the future perfect continuous tense. It shows a continuous action that will happen for a long duration.
Let's master the English verb tenses. We have present, past, and future, and perfect continuous. Here is how you use the verb play. Save this chart for your next revision. Simple equals general action. Continuous, action in progress. Perfect is a completed action. Perfect continuous plus duration. See? 12 tenses are easy.